So you're not very proud of how last year went and you're looking to do better. Here are 5 tips to start strong this new school year and make you proud of yourself. One of the tips is often overlooked by many, so be sure you watch all 5 of them. If you haven't set any goals that you want to accomplish, then you need to do that first. Don't skip this because if you don't have a destination, how will you know when you get there? And if you don't know that you got there, how are you going to celebrate and be proud of yourself? So look back at last year. What made you less proud of yourself? Was it the struggle you had waking up on time? You were constantly stressed, felt like you were a hamster on a wheel with all that online learning? You procrastinated, had to cram for exams, whatever it is. You want to set a personal and an academic goal. So let's just say those were your struggles, and this school year, you're going to meditate for 20 minutes each day and be consistent in studies. Now that you have your goals, you're going to develop habits to support them because a goal without a plan is just a wish. The best way to do that is to have routines. Decide what you're going to do in your morning, evening, and study routine that is in line with the goals you set. Routines provide structure, and with structure, you're not at the mercy of your motivation. Let's say you've heard all about the benefits of meditation, never tried it, but you aim to meditate for 20 minutes each day. Now, you want to set yourself up for success, so start small. Make a plan to meditate for just 5 minutes a day. And then when you get comfortable, you move it up to 10 minutes, and then 15, and then finally 20 minutes. Same goes with your study session. Let's say sitting down and studying consistently wasn't something you've always done. So don't aim to sit down for 1 whole hour and study. You're going to get bored, distracted, and then feel bad about yourself. You want to set yourself up for success. So start small, maybe 15 minutes, and then you move it up to 30, 45, and then 60 minutes. You get the idea. The reason why a lot of people fail to remain consistent is because they get so overwhelmed and discouraged. Be kind to yourself and don't compare to what others are doing. Just because so-and-so is studying for 10 to 16 hours a day doesn't mean that you're an epic failure if you can't even sit down for 1 hour. So start with what's comfortable for you and slowly ramp up. Next is you want to designate your study space. Location has energy, time has memory. If you do something at the same time every day, it becomes easier and natural. If you do something in the same space every day, it becomes easier and natural. So schedule in your study session at the same space at the same time, so that when you're in that area, it signifies studying time and nothing else. That means bed, couch, dining table are not suitable study spaces. If you have your study desk in a bedroom, be sure that your back is facing the bed. Otherwise, it'll be calling your name when you get stuck on that math problem. Also, make it a habit to clean up your study space when you're done for the day. That way, when you get there the next day, it's inviting. When your school starts and you get your syllabus, don't chuck it aside. Scope out all your topics. You want to know what are the topics you'll be learning, how they'll be tested, what are the weightages, when are the assignments due, and when are your exams. Transfer all your due dates from your syllabus for each class to your calendar and set reminders. You don't need any fancy planner. You have your smartphone. Make use of it. Place your dates and synchronize across devices. Whether you're studying in physical or online classes, you want to organize your resources in one place. My favorite tool is to organize my academic stuff like syllabus, assessment dates, notes from classes. My personal stuff like tracking goals, habits, to-dos is using Notion. And this is going to be a game changer if you haven't heard of Notion before. Check this playlist out and I'll see you over there.